Okay, so let's look at a lovely old classic knife. Been after one of these for ages, and I thought I'd share with you unboxing it and having a little talk about it. What we got here? That's a sheath. That looks like the knife. Right, let's have a look. How do we? Oh, here we go. Oh, mama. Oh, now isn't she a classic? Oh, nice solid lock, and the handle is a very good size. Yeah, that little back lock on there. Yeah, that lock up's not going nowhere. Wow. Yeah, that is awesome. Oh, I like that. And look at the sheath. Oh, wow. That's nice. 110, that's the model number. This is the Buck 110 hunting knife, and it looks like that's just gonna fold over. Look at that, it's never been folded before. Just put that in there. Look at that. All made in the USA, which is a beautiful thing. You're going to hear me say this a few times on videos that I do. Stuff that's made in our own countries. Anything made in the US and UK is absolutely beautiful for me, okay? I'm not that keen on Chinese stuff, if I'm honest. But, I do appreciate that sometimes you have to. Not much choice, etc. But yeah, let's have a little close-up of this. Wow. I've got my fingerprints all over it already. It's got a very, very fine coating of grease, which is exactly what you're after, especially for an outdoors knife, okay? Brass. Oh wow, look at that. Ebony hardwood. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Been after one of these for a long time, and as soon as I saw these on that website, that was it. I hit the fire button, as I say. And yeah, to release it, just press the little lock, and here we go. So we're looking at about, let's see, yeah, nice and polished. It's a beautiful thing. Right, now what I need to do, I think we should see how big it is. The easiest thing to do. Right, let's put that there. Well, 3.5 inch blade, or 90 mil, etc. The handle, which is good because we need to know depending on what size hands you got. But yeah, look at that. That's just coming in just under 5 inches. 120 mil. And I just got a size 9 or a large hand. So for me, it's absolutely perfect. And if you look at the take up either end, if you've got a bigger hand, you're going to be sorted as well. But yeah, and we look at the size of them finger grooves there. It's a very good grip. Now what I like about these scales is because they're flat, and obviously they're smooth because you don't want any hot spots. Because they're flat, you've got a lot of control, okay? And we look at the thickness of it, and look at the creases when your finger joints there, and it looks perfect because when they close around, it's a very good solid lock. So for hunting, obviously, for skinning, if you look where that is there, that drop, It's absolutely very, very nicely designed for game, obviously. Very nice. The control you get on these are amazing. And of course, as I say, the lockup is really, really cool. The sheath, stunning. Very, very good quality work, because these are production knives, okay? These aren't one-off customs. These are made one after another after another in the good old United States of America. So I think also it's worth weighing it, because I know some of you guys, especially if you're hiking, etc., you know, weight is a very important thing. So let's set that to 0 and see what she comes in. 200 grams on the money, or 7.1 ounces. Nice. So let's combine the whole deal there. 9.2 ounces, 262 grams. So that's not a bad weight in total, because it is a solid knife. And yeah, you'll be hard to find a solid knife that's very, very lightweight and as strong as this. So I'm looking forward to actually using this now and again, and I might let my dad have a go on this, because he lent me a knife a long time ago, which I well, I'm not going to tell you what happened to it, but let's just say I haven't got it no more. So I think I might give this to my dad one day as a sorry. So very, very chuffed, and it didn't take too long, wow, to come in the post. So there we have it. Anyone who wanted a good decent close-up look at the Buck 110 hunting knife, you're in luck, because she's on the screen right now. I should have wore gloves, because all of the brass has got all grimy and fingerprinty now. But yeah, an old school blade for an old school guy. Look at that, isn't she gorgeous? Yeah, we do like our close-ups, because we want to see exactly what we're getting, don't we? You know, we work hard for our money. We want to make sure that if we're going to press the fire button, as I say, on an item, you want to make sure that it's exactly what you're after. So nice quality close-ups, and look at that blade. Gee whiz. I'm not even going to... Can you hear that? Yeah, that's sharp. Yeah, that's sticking on your finger now. Yep, you guys know that is sharp. So I hope you enjoyed a real good, lovely bit of knife porn from this beautiful old classic Buck knife. And yep, obviously if you wanted a total length, there you go, 8.5 inches, or 222 millimeters. These are all approximate sizes, okay? So don't shoot me. Wicked. I'll put the link below the video to where I got this. So if anyone of you want to go and have a little look. UK website, so you know, like I said before, try and support your own countries, okay? Especially in times like this. So as we know, UK and US, we stand together in a lot of things. So check out the link and have a little look. So there we have it, an absolutely beautiful knife. Thanks for watching, and stay funky.